Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on, sorry, I just moved my tripod. I'm coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studio, and we have got this home sewn kit. It is gorgeous. It is featuring Poppy and Pear by B. Valent, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't know. I did a complete unboxing, guys. We have got thickers, we've got frazzles and ribbons. I have die cut / ephemera, little tiny corduroy hearts. I've got acrylic pieces. Guys, there is so much in here. Now I have the main kit as well as the add-on. Got this really cool piece right here. This is for embroidery. Doilies, and I think doilies are going to be happening in a minute. We've got embroidery floss. Now, in both the main kit and the add-on kit, there are these cork pieces, and I think I'm gonna grab out my acrylic markers from my stash for that. I have got these wood buttons in squishy. They're squishy, but they're also sparkly butterflies. So cool. Now, guys, what I also did off camera, because you guys would have been bored stiff on camera, is I took some of our papers, as well as this was a full sheet, and I fussy cut out a bunch of the elements. Guys, this is just from the Dollar Tree, if you ask. I fussy cut out a bunch of the elements so that I would have them on hand, just because I love them. And I also have these pieces left that I can still fussy cut or use the papers or whatnot. I want to show you why this was already cut up. Okay, what else to tell you? I have a sketch that I have to pull up. And now this is a photo I am going to document. This is Rainbow Row in Charleston, and it's one of those things that I thought was so kind of cool in this historic area that we have this. Now, I did talk to a couple of locals, and they said actually it was just basically a homeowners association kind of fight that this happened from. But hey, now it's a thing, and now it's a tourist thing, and I bought into it because, you know, that's how things go. Now, I will grab a sheet of white cardstock from my stash. I'm looking up the sketch really quickly. A sheet of white cardstock from my stash just to, actual sunshine in the northern Midwest. You guys, we saw it here rather live. Okay, but now I will get rid of why aren't my blinds turning? There we go. There we go. See, I've got it. So I'm going to get some white cardstock just to go ahead and matte that photo. I think that would be super fun and make it pop. Then, guys, okay. Let me look at this so I can say this correctly. So we've got this sketch, right? It's super cute. Now let's see. We have used the sketch, and we're going to do a twist. We are to use a circle or an odd shape and stitching / embroidery on our page. And I was thinking, I have this photo of Rainbow Row, which I love, right? But I was kind of thinking it might be fun to stitch around a doily, because that would be my odd shape, and I can stitch. Now, I could stitch, but I can also use this funky thing here if I wanted to do like a cross stitch thing. I'm not quite sure yet. We have embroidery floss. I also have like so much embroidery floss on hand because I like to embroider. So I have that. Now, the other thing that really inspired this idea is this sheet here of, here, let me pull it like this. This piece from Poppy and Pear, it's called Main Street. Does it not vibe this? I mean, come on. So what I want to do is look at these colors, and I'm going to paint up really quickly just with some of my, oh my gosh, there's trees too. I'm going to go ahead, trees. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm going to paint up some of these houses. I think I'll do 3 because I have that whole like, I like odd numbers thing, and I can leave the rest, which leaves me a cute little house. And oh, look at that tree. That is cute. Should I have 3 different trees? Probably. Okay, so I have that. And these houses in the photo are kind of taller ones. I love this Tudor style house. Come here. There's a house in Royal Oak, Michigan that looks like this that I've always wanted to own. It's true. Okay, I've never seen it for sale. I just want it. Okay, so I'm going to paint these up, and I don't know how long it takes for acrylic paints to dry on on cork. So we're going to do that. Guys, look at these little bits. Look at these little bits. They are on sticker paper. Oh, and I'm going to have another thing. I am going to have down below, let me see, our fearless leader just let us know. There's a 15% sign up discount on our first kit for new customers, and you get a free little goodie, and I don't even know what it is, with your sign up. So make sure to put in coupon code SIGN15, so capital SIGN 15, and I will put that down in the doodly doo down there. Okay, so let me do some homework. Oh, guys, what is wrong with me? Let me show you this. I cannot believe it. Let me show you the sketch, which I will save off really quickly. Save photo. My iPad has doggy fur on it. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Sir, stop being so bright. Okay. I'm going to put my light right there. So we've got our sketch, right? We've got a big circly bit here. Great. And they have stitching around it. We have got a matted, for the love of Pete, you guys, how do you put up with me? We have got a matted photo situation, but that might be my doily, right? Some torn papers. I love that. We've got banners here and embellishments. Boop. Embellishments. Ooh, and I like that torn notebook kind of vibe too. I do have a punch that I can do a torn notebook. So that's going to be the sketch I am working from. Phew, I have so much homework to do, guys. Let's pick together. Let me put all of my brightness back in here. So I know we're going to paint these up because I cannot wait. And things are going to match this. Okay, which they already do. And I'm going to just call it Rainbow Row with my fab pieces here. Ooh, might be kind of cool using this. I know I'm supposed to use it for embroidery, but I could do Rainbow Row right on top of this, and it would be so showy. Oh, that's happening. That is so happening. Okay, that happened. Now, our sketch. I need kind of a calmer foreground, so that might be good for that. It brings out our pink. And then I can have a nice bright matte. Let me see if we pull this one. Guys, what do you think about that? Now, I definitely want to bring in some blue, though. This paper right here, I so have ideas for it, so I don't want to use it yet, although I have two of them. Should we see what this looks like with bringing in that blue? Oh, that might be a better choice because it brings in the blue as well as the pink. Okay, so I'm going to make sure to do that. Now, do we want a big circle? We know we're going to have our big heart, right? And I know I want to embellish around the heart. You know what? We're the boss of us. We are going to just do that. We're going to embellish around the big heart and then use that maybe in lieu of the circle. Or do I gut this piece? Oh, yes, I do. And do a heart around it and embroider that. That's what I'm doing. See, we decide together. It's such a thing. All right, then, so we're going to bring that. Is there, ooh, there's a purpley house right here. And what I could do next, that could be that big torn piece with the notebook edge. Okay, I'm loving this so much. You guys have no idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign off, do a little bit of my homework, and meet you right back here. So let's check in. I went ahead and matted my background, right? I did a nice chain stitch around my doily heart and around my plaid heart. I think that's so cute. And it had a nice big pop. I used the same color as what we have in our pink alpha, and I thought that would be fab. And look at how cute this looks, guys. I think I'm cutting it into rainbow and then row and staggering it, but it's coming together. Now I did take a scrap, which is from those little houses that I had cut out, these little guys, and I went ahead and just matted my photo and popped it up on some foam. So that can go there, right? Super cute. And then in our sketch, we've got some strips of scraps. So let's see if there's any that we can use. We can do some of the houses, but I don't know because I want to use the houses for embellishments. This is, ooh, this might be pretty. Let's see how well we can tear this. This is the inside of this piece, and it is stunning and gorgeous and beautiful and all of those things. It's a great color palette. So I'm going to do a little bit of tearing because I need to get a few strips brought in. So if you tear towards you, you get that nice little bit of white. If you tear away from you and you don't want that bit of white, then you don't get it. So this will go all the way to there. So this piece needs a little bit of tear-a-rooney to show. Okay, so we have that. And yeah, so it'll go kind of like this. So you know what I can do? We're not going to see a bunch of that. I can have that, and then this can come out more because, you know, we're not going to see it. So why waste that gorgeousness? Okay, we have that. Now, I have to decide. This is where it's going to get a little bit traumatizing. You know, I can tear some of this. I think that'll be okay. I have to decide what my next piece of paper to cut into would be, guys, and it's so pretty that this is an actual real decision we're going to have to make. This is a big deal, guys. So let me go kind of like that. We'll do the same thing. I want some of this showing over here. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut that. I shall have to cut it. Oop, there we go. So I need a piece with a straight edge over here, no big deal. A piece with a straight edge over here, no big deal. Then, and I want to be able to still maintain that heart, so I'm not going to do a whole lot of other stuff. Let me see. We've got this. Oh, that's the plain pink. That's not going to do a whole lot for us. And then we have this, and it's the florals are going to be a little bit combative, so I don't want to do that. Guys, it's not easy. And also, I kind of want to use everything, which, ooh, this is an easy peasy piece because we've got the tones, but it's not gonna fight with us. So let me go like this. Just tear a nice little piece of this. Nice little piece of this kind of going into a pointy, not, you know, like a pointy-ish. We'll have some of it come out kind of like that. Some of it come out from here. No big deal. And I'm going to get all of that tacked down. Okay, I like that. And I did tell you that I thought I wanted to cut this. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. So I can have a rainbow and then row. Guys, I know I was supposed to sew into this, but I loved how big and textural it was. So, you know, you get to use your supplies however you want. With a little bit left, I'm going to hold on to it, you know, in case. Now let's see that photo. We are to have, so in our photo, let me show you instead of just describing. So in the photo, sorry about the lights, we have this piece. Now we have a big circle in the photo. I'm not going to be using a circle. I have my heart. So I'm going to have title here, here. Oh, and we've got all of our pieces all painted up. So cute with our little town, right? So let's see. Maybe I'll put this little green tree there. I can have these little trees. Oh, these guys probably need to go over here. And I'll have this here. Perfect. Now what I can also do is come in with like paper trees that can help tell that story. There we go. We've got our little trees. We've got our cork. We have that. All of that needs to get tacked down. Guys, this may be really close to being done because it's one of those things that the stuff is so stinking cute. Okay, I'm not gonna bring in the strawberries. I mean, guys, look at how beautiful these pieces are. They're just gorgeous. I'm thinking maybe some of the florals to come down in here, or do I just keep playing up the houses? And I would have like maybe a little visual triangle, because I can really play up our sweet little houses as well. I love them. So we have 1, 2, 3. I could have 5 because that works for me. I could, guys, we could switch this. We could have it more like this. Okay, I kind of like that we have this visual triangle going. So if I bring this in, nope, I need that over there. Okay, that kind of triangle, and let me get a little bit of a tree stitch going. Ooh, this tree looks a little fallsy, but I love that it's bringing in a little bit of yellow. Let's see, I think that would be really cute. All right, so I like this. I know it's a mess right now, but I like the way it looks. Let me get all of these things nicely tacked down. Go over a little bit. And then we'll see if we need to add any little bits and pieces. But the way it's looking right now, I am loving it. Guys, I'm so happy with the way this came together that, oh, and I moved my houses up there. I needed more of a visual triangle. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put on in my cute little clusters just a few of these little bits. And we're gonna kind of call this done. It's so darned cute that it really doesn't need much more. So I have one there. Oh, that would be cute right there. So little visual triangle with my little wooden pieces as well. Let me move my tree back over. Oh. And we have ourselves a finished layout using that cute sketch, using the cork pieces. I thought it was so fun. I've got my nice little doily. I've got embroidery floss going, the whole thing. So guys, I'm gonna have links down below for the website where you can get your hands on these kits, the discount code for first-time subscribers. And I know right now there's a free little gift that you get with subscribing. I don't know if there's anything else to tell you. I don't know. Is there anything else to tell you? I don't think there is, but I'll have all the info down below. And guys, still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.